Sam to help set up.
Well, all I have to do is put the finishing touches on the banner, so.
Cool.
So, what do you get on the history test?
I got a 90.
I got a 95.
Cool.
Oh, hold that.
Cool. What do you want me to do with the stapler?
Put it on the counter.
Cool.
Hey. Bert, I told you about the stapler on the counter.
Oh, sorry.
Hey guys, come on in.
What's your name?
Oh my gosh, guys, she's here. Go hide. Go hide. Kierra, come on in. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Surprise! Welcome home, sister.
Thank you.
Yeah. There's some chips in the kitchen if you want any.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Bryan, you want to dance? Let's dance.
Oh, what's that doing there?
Hope, run!
Oh my God! Oh, back keep running! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God!
I think we're all
Bryan, you got the chips!
It's hard to breathe without chip.
Oh my God. You spilled a chip. Pick it up. I hope I still get some Subway after this. God, we're all gonna die except for me because I need some pizza.
No. Hope lives.